Hello people, I'm Rishi. You have seen me doing stunting on my stunt bikes, but now I'm trying a different terrain. ఈ రోజు నా కలెక్షన్లో ఒక కొత్త బైక్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. I can't wait you to show the new edition. Let's go.